Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
brand new banger.
Yeah, but before we get in our peeps, please consider to like, share, comment and subscribe, because it really and truly help out your Jamaican YouTuber. But anyway, we never now waste some time right tonight. Alright peeps, we'll kick off the first video now.
Yeah, comrades, what we are gonna do? What we are gonna do if we get a finger upon this country, or even a fingernail? Yeah, because guess what? That country has slip out of our hand, you know. Right now, Andrew lead by 1,000 miles. You see what I say? Before I go any further, me is a born PNP. Me born come see my family them a PNP. Cause me notice some little die-hearted idiot when I pre the levels of this country and this runnings here. I go try to jump down my throat, but yeah, nothing can go down my throat unless a food, you see me?
Oh!
You see what I say? Watch out now. Comrades, who no see Andrew Holness again? Who no see how the man a deal with the thing? And let's not forget about the health inspector. Who knows the man a deal with the thing? Who knows the country slip out of it? What we are gonna do about this? Cause right now, Andrew Holness sit down on Blue Mountain top. I sip tea. And we there down a Frenchman cove. I swim for try get out of the water for try get on level grounds. This thing ain't look good. Over the years, I don't know where PNP I do. Me don't know what them did do before my time. Me don't know what them did do before my time. But you can't look at what them did do because of young people are run politics right now. We need a new leader. We need a young leader. We need a leader where do things. You see what I say? You know see Andrew deal with the thing. Who in a PNP can compete against Andrew Holness? You just take a look at that. Who in a PNP are going to run against this man where I do so much things where I interact with the young people them, where the young people them love, and the young people them have them vote as ID, and them a vote, and them a vote for bro God. Yo, this thing are gone. PNP come like a long time days. Me a PNP boy come like a PNP I promise you fall and goat and you know say pitting no man go bush. A modern time, a tablet and them something the pitney use. Pitney stop go bush, goat stop tie out. You understand me I say? Further on, nobody don't want no foul pen. Bruh. Nobody don't want a foul pen, cause you ever go on a foul pen is a thinking sitting and right now the house them they too close. Because the place develops, so nobody don't want a foul pen near them, cause foul pen think. When you tell two nice line, no man win the election. What happen? Right now, this thing are gone, man. The thing gone. You see what I say? Oh, we are going back. We need a new leader in a PNP. In the party. You see what I say? We need something where we can really vote for. Because right now, we don't have a vote for. Right now, for the last 2 or 3 or 4 months or over the last year, we lose about 70% of PNP already. So if we don't see that, we're not blind. Everybody has switch go over. I bureau gotta run things. What happen? We can't get
Did you hear what he just said? He not afraid them beat. He not afraid them beat him. Why? Alright peeps, the next video now, look we start it.
Yes I watch a style you know. Wake up this morning. The youth them say them want KFC. You see me? Right now no work now go on, no money now make. We don't have no money for go on a KFC. So me I say alright, what Papa style? Rice some mixed parts. You see me? Well seasoned up. Know the thing go. well in the KFC super sauce what them have. You understand? Yeah. We stay so boom. Rice to breadfruit. Make some breadfruit chips and all these good things. You see me? Yeah man, so we have to just put it together and match up a crime. Quick and fast, well nice. Everybody eat. I'm not hearing nobody a complain. Bruh. You see me? Yeah, so right now COVID-19, one day I them just come there and make fashion and make the thing nice. You understand? Yeah man.
A KFC?
Yes I know the thing go. KFC, the finger licking, breadfruit chips. Yep.
A KFC the man.
Mother Road. You know you can't have KFC without a Pepsi. You see me?
Mom.
You understand? Because Pepsi be push for some of them something, you know. Everything shell down, box empty, bones.
Yo, Jamaican people sample a breadfruit the man use and cut up and make the fries, you know. And then the man make him own chicken, you know. And mix it up, you know. The man, yo, you know, see all the man all have roll like him have biscuit. The man go get 2 box food, some box food box. And some cup and the man draw. Yo, ba. Man say what KFC they pan strike and lock up or whatever be things. Man say everything Chris. Yo, Jamaican people, we're such a blessed country. I first me ever see that in my life. First me ever see, that's crazy. Alright guys, give me your thoughts. What you think about what PNP man I say about Brogan? And what you think about the KFC thing? The man shot shellings. You know, see all the man them all done all the food in our box. Everything shell went. But anyway, peeps, thanks for watching and just go a journey with the boy. Ah, shoo!
Yeah, yeah.